the food. What do you think about it? Yeah? He comes here every day about the same time. Same time, same place, every day. Hello? How are you, friend? Thanks, man. Somebody needs to give him something.